everyone, this is Elise, but you might know me as Stamper Girl for Kat Scrappiness, and today I am making a little project for our hop. We have a brand new mini release. It is popcorn theme, so welcome to the movies. We have a popcorn box shaker craft die, which is this one that you see in the back. It's a huge set. And then we got actually 4 different sprinkles. The dimensional salted popcorn. There's a dimensional cheesy popcorn. And there is the popcorn. Let me show you that one. They really do truly look like popcorns. They're so fun. Popcorn party sprinkle mix. And the movie night sprinkle mix. This one is a little low because I used it to create this adorable shaker card. So today we're not making a shaker card. We're just going to create another one of these because I'm sending it to my best friend as an invite to go to the movies. So let's get ready. I did cut all of my pieces in advance because I didn't think you would be fond of just watching me die cut pieces. But I did cut the silhouette on this cream card because we know that you can see some of it when you put the popcorn. I cut my fluted sections in red and yellow. My scallop section was cut in white. My shaker card, my shaker insert, instead of using it as an insert, I'm going to use it as a label for the back for the invite. And then the larger one was cut in the yellow with the stars, the smaller one in white. I cut 3 popcorn words that I'm going to put one on top of each other. And I haven't cut the popcorns, but I'll do that offline and then bring it back. Okay? And I'm cutting them the same color as this cream. Okay, let me put my die cuts on the side and let's start getting this all together. We are going to start with adding a little bit of color into my background and bringing my brown, I think it might be here. Here's the ink that I used. And let me get my little Kat Scrappiness brushes. It's right here on the pink. I'm just going to do a little bit on the outside edge because I know that's what gets seen a little bit more than anything else. Okay. Okay. That's perfect. This I'm going to put right here. Oh, so pretty. And I am actually bringing my other Kat Scrappiness blender brush. This one is the one for black. And I'm just a little bit of like a shadow. I'm going to get, this one goes here. They do have a little bit of a slant. Okay. I'm going to get those there. I will add a little bit of music for you to follow with the video and finishing this little invite card for my best friend. And while that, make sure that you check the playlist below and hop with everybody else. If you like our content, please like and subscribe. We would love it if you could. If you want to be entered to win the $15 gift certificate from Kat Scrappiness, make sure that you watch the entire playlist and then you fill out the raffle cup. The information is below. All the information is in the description box. I really hope that you follow all the hops, all the stops in the hub. They have wonderful projects that they have put together and enjoy this release as much as we are enjoying this release. And remember, don't leave your crafting for tomorrow. Start today. Bye.